Hey everyone, if you have an iPhone with a 120Hz ProMotion display, these quick settings can help Safari feel much smoother. So first open the settings app on your iPhone and now scroll all the way down and tap on apps. And this is where iPhone lets you control app specific settings. So we can adjust Safari directly from here. So find out Safari and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on advanced. After that tap on feature flags. Now scroll down and find out prefer page rendering updates near 60 fps. If it's turned on, Safari tries to keep page updates closer to 60, which can make it look less smooth on a 120Hz display. So turn this option off. Now go back to the main settings screen. Next, we will make sure the iPhone isn't limiting the refresh rate system-wide because that would stop Safari from hitting 120 even if the Safari settings is changed. So scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on motion. Now look for limit frame rate and make sure it's turned off. If it's turned on, your iPhone will cap the refresh rate, which can make everything feel less smooth, including Safari. Now open your Safari again. As you can see, my Safari web browser is running at 120Hz. And that's it. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.